सन एज x ईयर्स। मान लेते हैं कि बेटे की उम्र x ईयर है। अकॉर्डिंगली अमन's एज is equal to 3 times of his son age, so 3x. Now 10 years ago son age, 10 years ago son age will be x minus 10. Same way 10 years ago Aman age will be equal to 3x minus 10. Now condition is given 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. 10 साल पहले he means अमन अपने बेटे की उम्र का 5 गुना था. So according to this condition 10 years ago Aman's age 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 times his son's age, that is x minus 10. So this will be 3x minus 10 equal to 5x minus 50 . Now this 3x from the left side will be transposed to right side. So 5x minus 3x will be left 2x, which is equal to this 50 of minus will be transposed from right side to left side. So this will be of plus, and minus 10 is already available in the left side. So 50 minus 10 will be left 40. Now x is equal to 20 because this 2 will cut 40 20 times. So x is equal to 20 means son age 20 years and Aman age 3x means 3 times of 20. So 23 is 60 years. That way we can solve this question. Let one of the number is x. Accordingly, another number will be 5 times of this. Now, when 21 is added to both the sides, so x plus 21 and 5x plus 21 become twice the other new number. दूसरे नंबर का 2 गुना हो जाता है, like this. So when we open this will become 2x plus 42 equal to 5x plus 21. Now this 2x will be transposed to right side. So 5x minus 2x 3x equal to 42 minus 21, because 21 from right side will be transposed to left side, so this will be left 21. Now x is equal to 7. So one of the number is x and the another number will be 7 5 is 35. First number 7, other number 35. That way we can solve this question. Let the two-digit number be XY. माना कि दो अंकों वाली संख्या XY है. तो as per the question statement, sum of the digits means x plus y is equal to 9. On interchange of the digits, on interchange of digit, number is yx. So as per the statement, resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Resulting number is yx is means equal to ओरिजिनल नंबर xy उससे 27 ज़्यादा है, सो xy plus 27. Now we can write this xy and yx in the format of, like we take number 12. Number 12 we can write as 10 plus 2. सो इसी फॉर्मेट में हम इनको लिखेंगे 10y प्लस x इक्वल टू 10x प्लस y प्लस 27. Now this x from left side will be transposed to right side, so 10x minus x 9x plus 27 is equal to 10y minus y from right side, so this will be 9y. Now we will take 9 as common out, so this will be y minus x equal to 27, and this 9 will cut 27 3 times, so y minus x is equal to 3. As x plus y or y plus x is equal to 9 in the first condition given. So if we add these two equations, so this x minus and plus x will be cut by each other, so 2y is equal to 9 plus 3 12, and y is equal to 6. So we have found the value of y. Now we can put this value of y in either in equation 1 और इन इक्वेशन 2. सो हम इक्वेशन 2 में वैल्यू पुट कर लेते हैं. पुटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ y in x plus y equal to 9. So this will be x plus 6 equal to 9 and x is equal to 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Means value of x is 3 and value of y is 6. So two-digit number xy is equal to 36 and this is the answer. इस प्रकार से हम इस सवाल को कर सकते हैं. 2 अंकों की संख्या को हम xy मान लेते हैं. xy मानने के बाद जैसा जैसा कहा जा रहा है वैसा हम करते जाते हैं. Here is the question number 4. One of the two digits of a two digits number is 3 times the other number. 2 अंकों वाली संख्या के 2 अंकों में से एक दूसरे अंक का 3 गुना है. If you interchange the digits of this two digit number, यदि आप इस 2 अंकों वाली संख्या के दोनों डिजिट को इंटरचेंज कर दें, आपस में बदल दें, एंड ऐड द रिजल्टिंग नंबर टू द ओरिजिनल नंबर, और जो परिणामी रिजल्ट वाला नंबर आता है उसको ओरिजिनल नंबर के साथ जोड़ दें तो आपको 88 मिलता है. व्हाट इज़ द ओरिजिनल नंबर? ओरिजिनल नंबर क्या है ये पूछा गया है इस सवाल में. लेट द ओरिजिनल number is xy. So accordingly, one of the two digits of the two digit number is 3 times the other digit. Means one of the digit x is equal to 3 times the other means 3y. If you interchange the digits of this two digit number, on interchange number is yx so yx plus xy is equal to 88. डिजिट इंटरचेंज करने के बाद जो रिजल्ट आता है वो प्लस ओरिजिनल नंबर दोनों को जोड़ने से आपको 88 प्राप्त होता है, ये कहा गया है. नाउ वी विल राइट दिस एक्स वाई एंड वाई एक्स like if we take number 12 we can write this 10 plus 2. so इसी फॉर्मेट में अभी हम इनको भी लिखेंगे. yx means 10y plus x plus xy means 10x plus y is equal to 88. Now 10x plus x 11x, 10y plus y 11y. So we will take 11 common out and this will be x plus y equal to 88. This 11 will cut 88 8 times, so x plus y is equal to 8. As in the very first statement, x is equal to 3y given. So we will put the value of x as 3y here. From first statement, x is equal to 3y. So we will put that here. 3y plus y equal to 8. Because x is equal to 3y. This was given in the very first statement, and we have used in place of x 3y. So 3y plus y will become 4y equal to 8. So y is equal to 2. 4 2s are 8. Now we will put this y value here, x equal to 3y. X equal to 3y means 3 into 2 equal to 6. So x is equal to 6. And y is equal to 2, and number was number xy. So x means 6, y means 2. So number is 62. This is the answer. That way we can solve this question. Here is the question number 5. Sobo's mother's present age is 6 times of Sobo's present age. सोबो की माँ की वर्तमान आयु सोबो की वर्तमान आयु की 6 गुनी है. Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Let Sobo's present age be x years. So accordingly, mother age will be equal to 6x, because 6 टाइम मीन 6 गुनी है माँ की आयु. सोबोज एज 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, अब से 5 साल बाद सोबो की उम्र क्या होगी, 5 साल बढ़ जाएगी. सोबोज एज 5 years हेंस, अब से 5 साल बाद कितनी हो जाएगी, x plus 5. Will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. माँ की वर्तमान आयु की 1/3 होगी. Means Sobo's age after 5 years, x plus 5 will be equal to 1/3 of Sobo's mother's present age. and present age of mother was 6x. One third into 6x. So this 3 will cut this 6 2 times. So here it will be left x plus 5 equal to 2x. Now 2x minus x, so x is equal to 5. Accordingly, mother's age 6x means 6 times, so 5 6 ja 30. Mother age 6x equal to 5 6 ja 30 years. X equal to 5 means Sobo age 5 years. That way we can solve this question. Here is the question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. महूली गांव में स्कूल के लिए एक संकरा आयताकार प्लॉट आरक्षित है. द लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ ऑफ द प्लॉट आर इन द रेशियो 11:4. प्लॉट की लंबाई और चौड़ाई 11:4 के अनुपात में है. एट द रेट ₹100 पर मीटर, it will cost the village पंचायत ₹75,000 to fence the plot. प्लॉट की चारदीवारी करवाने के लिए 100 रुपये मीटर की दर से ग्राम पंचायत को 75,000 रुपये का खर्चा पड़ेगा. व्हाट आर द डायमेंशंस ऑफ द प्लॉट. प्लॉट की डायमेंशंस क्या है ये इसमें पूछा गया है. सो हियर लेट द this is the rectangular plot, length 11. So here in the case of ratio, variable x will be multiplied, so this will become 11x and breadth will be 4x. So perimeter of the plot is equal to sum of all the sides, means twice of length and breadth. क्योंकि यहाँ पर 2 लंबाइयाँ हो गई 2 चौड़ाइयाँ हो गई. So this will be twice into 11x plus 4x. So 11 plus 4 15 and 15 to the 30x. 30x is the perimeter of the plot. Perimeter of the plot 30x. So at the rate of 100 rupees per meter, cost of fencing will be rate, that is 100 rupees into perimeter area. So this is 30x, and this cost is already given as 75,000. ये कॉस्ट किसके बराबर होगी हमारी 100 इंटू 30x is equal to 75,000. So all the three zeros from here will cut 3 zeros here, and this 3 will cut 75 25 times. So x is equal to 25. Value of x we have found 25. So length 11x इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 270 मीटर 275 मीटर, and breadth 4x. So 25 4s are 100 meter. 275 meter, and this will be 100 meter. These are the dimensions of the plot. That way we can solve this question number 6 also.